How to uninstall and reinstall Roblox Studio on your computer. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about problems with Roblox Studio. So if you're having problems with Roblox Studio and you're considering reinstalling it, this video will guide you through uninstalling and reinstalling the Roblox Studio on your computer. So now let's get started. First of all, I want you to know that there are two ways to uninstall Roblox Studio. I recommend using the second method because it removes both Roblox Studio and any unnecessary temporary files from your computer. So first of all, let's go through standard uninstall. First of all, open your settings on your computer. Now click on apps and then go to installed apps, or you can directly go ahead and tap on add or remove programs. From here, scroll down and simply search for Roblox Studio and then tap on uninstall and confirm to uninstall, and you'll be done. Roblox Studio will be uninstalled, but some data files may remain. So in order to completely uninstall, go ahead and open your library. From here, go to System. Simply search for Roblox Studio files. And once you find it, simply select it, right-click on it, and then click on Delete. This will remove all the temporary files of Roblox Studio. Now, in order to reinstall it, open your Google Chrome and then go to create.roblox.com. Click on Start Creating, and when the pop-up appears, click on Cancel and simply click on Download Studio to begin the download. And if you're using Chrome, you might need to click on Download Unverified File, open the Roblox Studio installer.exe file, and Roblox Studio will begin installing, and it should automatically open when finished. So that's how you can uninstall and reinstall Roblox Studio on your computer. So if this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.